Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noris and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is you have entered the following data in Excel. What formula you should enter in cell C2 calculate sine t minus y is equal to sine a2 minus b2. The correct answer of the question is the formula you enter science is correct for calculating sine t minus y in Excel. The formula subtract the value in cell B2 representing from the value in cell A2 representing and the calculating since the result. So there is no need to the change the formula in cell C2. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask. There an ask session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.